Hi guys, it's me RO. So for today, we have another bike to do. It's a Honda. So ito na siya. Papakita natin. Guys, I need some help. We need to be very careful, sabi ni client. So here's what we need to do. We're gonna put some decals only, but we need to be very careful kasi nga, bago yung pintura niya. Inask nung client na gawin natin to kasi hindi mo na mabibili yung decals na to anywhere. So of course, we have Elvin to do the stickers. Kaya lang, let's do it.